In the world of delicious food making, there comes a time where you require egg whites. But what do you do with the leftover yolks? Sure, you could whip up some mayonnaise or custard, but sometimes you need a more convenient solution. Enter egg white powder, a pantry staple that's as versatile as it is practical. This unassuming powder, made from dehydrated egg whites, has revolutionized the way we cook and bake, offering a convenient and shelf-stable alternative to fresh eggs. But its appeal extends far beyond the home kitchen. Egg white powder has found its way into a vast array of food products, from protein bars to baked goods, thanks to its impressive nutritional profile and functional properties. Egg white powder is dehydrated egg whites. Fresh egg whites are pasteurized and dried, leaving a fine, odorless powder. This process concentrates the protein, making it a nutritional powerhouse. It's popular among athletes and health-conscious individuals. Egg white powder is versatile and can be reconstituted with water. It has a long shelf life, lasting months if stored properly. This session is brought to you by NavaTies, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, NavaTies has got you covered. Visit NavaTies.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. The beauty of egg white powder lies in its versatility. In the realm of baking, it's a godsend for creating airy meringues, fluffy angel food cakes, and chewy macarons. The powder's ability to whip into stable foams is unmatched, providing that signature light and airy texture that these treats are known for. But egg white powder's talents don't stop at sweets. It's a secret weapon for savory dishes as well. Think about using it to add a boost of protein to smoothies or soups. Its neutral flavor won't overpower your other ingredients. And because it's pasteurized, it's safe to use in recipes that call for raw egg whites like homemade mayonnaise or Caesar salad dressing. Beyond our kitchens, egg white powder plays a crucial role in the food industry. It's a key ingredient in many processed foods, including protein bars, baked goods, and even pasta, thanks to its functional properties and nutritional value. The world trade for egg white powder is currently at about USD 414 million, while ranging between USD 197 million and USD 415 million over the last 5 years. However, from the quantity point of view, the world trade is currently at about 28,000 tons, while ranging between 28,000 tons to 32,000 tons in the last 5 years. The average price per unit of egg white powder traded is about $15 per kgs. The top 10 importers of egg white powder are Japan, UK, Thailand, Germany, South Korea, Taiwan, Vietnam, Netherlands, Australia, France, while the top 10 exporters of egg white powder are Netherlands, Italy, France, India, Poland, Belgium, Germany, Sweden, Ireland, Argentina. Now, let's look at India exports of egg white powder. Currently, India exports about USD 28 million of egg white powder, supplying about 2055 tons to the world at an average price of 13.69 cents per kilo, which is far less than world average. India enjoys a market share of about 6.79% in terms of value and about 7.35% of market share in terms of quantity. In the last 5 years, it has maintained its market share between 5.31% to 6.79%, while generating a revenue between USD 12 million and USD 28 million. So, if you are looking to import egg white powder at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for egg white powder trade about any country directly on the NavaTies platform. The future of egg white powder looks promising, with trends pointing towards growth and innovation. The rise of protein fortification in food products is a significant driver. Health-conscious consumers seek foods with added nutritional value, and egg white powder meets this demand. They can also be used as food supplements. It's a simple, minimally processed ingredient. Technological advancements shape its future. new techniques improve solubility, heat stability, and whipping properties. Expect more innovative uses for egg white powder. This versatile ingredient is poised to remain a staple in kitchens and food manufacturing facilities worldwide. How can NavaTies help you explore the global trade of egg white powder? NavaTies provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on the global egg white powder trade. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import egg white powder based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to the foods and beverages sector or access our world directory of companies, trade, and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report on global egg white powder trade or visit NavaTies.com. In summary, the international trade of egg white powder in the processed food industry is poised for significant growth driven by evolving consumer preferences, technological innovations, and expanding market opportunities. By understanding the product dynamics, market trends, and emerging opportunities, stakeholders can make informed decisions to navigate the competitive landscape and unlock the full potential of this high-demand product. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.